Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sync Locket across multiple iPhones. If you use more than one iPhone and want your photos, friends and widget data to stay in sync, here's how to set it up properly. First, install the Locket on your second phone. Log in with the same phone number, open the app, tap get started and enter the exact same phone number you use on your main iPhone. Enters SMS verification code to log in. Your account, including photos, friends, and settings, is tied to the number. When prompted, allow photos, camera notification, and contacts. This ensures app to function fully. And tap the home screen and the plus button or edit button and add widget. Choose widget size and add either big widget or Locket widget, and then go to settings, go to search, go to background app refresh, and make sure you have toggled the option on for the Locket app. And for the best syncing, keep syncing performance. Make sure both iPhones are stable and have stable internet connection. Locket updates are cloud based, so new photos sent or received on the device will appear on the other almost instantly. Privacy tip: never share your location, Locket login number or verification code. Both devices will have full access to your photos once synced. Quick fix: if syncing does not work, log out and back into both the devices to refresh the session. Clear Safari cache and then make sure both devices are using the same iCloud account. And if widget does not refresh, remove and re-add on the second device, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.